Yep, fish on. Oh my god!
Big bass.
Oh my god! Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're heading south to Estevan to catch a largemouth bass. We're gonna meet up with Rylan again, try to target the species together. We're running out of time to catch them because they need warm water, and right now the water is warm because Boundary Dam Power Station, they use the water from the lake to cool down the units, and in return warms up the lake. But by 2030, SAS Power have the plan of decommissioning all the coal power generating plants, which means that the Boundary Dam Power Station will be closed down. They don't need the water to cool down their units anymore. The water temperature will cool down, and I think a lot of bass will die. We essentially have less than 10 years of time to catch these bass in Saskatchewan. So yeah, hopefully we catch some. Wish us luck. Alright, we just got to the spot. I just have a nice and simple Texas rig on with a big 3-aught worm hook with a worm, artificial worm, and a half-ounce weight. We'll see how it goes. Let's go, first cast. Can we get one on first cast? Can't believe I'm bass fishing right now. Dude, I see one here. I see a fish. Yeah.
Your worms basically reassess it.
This is where that Senko would be good. Do you see him? Do you see him? Right.
Oh, that's a big bass. That's a big bass. He's gonna eat. He's gonna eat.
Oh my god.
To the left one, to the left one, to the left one.
Yep, fish on. Oh my god!
Big bass.
Oh my god!
Big bass.
Grab him!
Big bass. Big bass.
Whoa!
Big bass.
Yes!
No!
No! No! No! No! No!
Yeah!
Yeah! Give me some! Whoa!
That's a big one.
Senko, man. Senko. Oh, my first ever largemouth bass.
Lou is by far the most dedicated fisherman that I know, and I'm just sitting in the truck reading my book on a 35-degree day, and then I just heard some screaming, and I could hear Lou going, "Oh yes!" So I don't know if it was Lou that caught it or if it was Rylan that caught it, but there they are over there. They've obviously caught a bass of some sort, and Lou's very excited about it. When we left this morning, Lou said, "There's no way I'm leaving here without catching a bass." So, hopefully this is it.
I just hooked up onto my first ever largemouth bass. Beautiful. She's not really fat, but she's pretty big. We'll give him a nice measurement. Mouth right at the end. He is 18.5. We'll give him a nice release here. There she goes. There she goes. Awesome.
That's epic. 18.5.
Give me some, bro. We're out here with my man Rylan again, and just got my first ever largemouth bass. I was just using a Senko, and then just, yeah, let it work its own magic. But I was working it fairly fast. Oh my goodness. Can't believe it.
A few moments later.
Oh! That was... Oh my goodness. I was setting my camera. Damn.
Was it big?
It was big. It was bigger than the last one.
What?
It was bigger.
No way. And you saw it?
I saw it.
And it was big.
It was huge. Humongous. Yeah.
But
No.
the swirl looked huge.
It was... Dude, it was like 20 inches.
Oh.
I thought I was snagged. Come on, baby, come back. I pressed my camera and didn't have the pressure on the hook. was so dumb. That happens way too often. YouTube, man. YouTube is not easy. Gotta get. Set a hook. Yep.
Oh, big bass. That's huge.
Big. Same one.
No, that's big. That's 20 inch. Get him out of those weeds, Luke. Get him out of those weeds.
Yep.
Out of those weeds, Luke. Out of those weeds.
Ooh,
That's a big bass.
grab him.
That's a big bass.
Holy crap!
Got him.
That's bigger than last one. That's bigger than last
Look,
one.
that's chunky.
Oh my goodness.
That's a big largemouth.
Ooh.
You've got him right.
I let him eat for like 3 seconds.
Okay. That's big. That is big. That's the biggest one you'll catch. I'll be amazed if you beat that. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Look at this fish. Oh my god, largemouth bass.
That's a 4 pound. That's a huge loop. Did you watch him bite it?
Yeah. Alright, I just hooked up onto my second bass here. Let's give him a measurement. Probably a her. Mouth right at the end. 19 inches. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. New PB. We'll give her a nice PB here. There she goes. Beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Yes, dude. Yes.
Give me some.
Boom. 19 inch.
19. Oh my goodness.
Boy, that's big. Was that the same fish, you think?
That's the same fish that bit me twice. The exact same fish. Oh my goodness. I saw everything. I'm like, I'm not gonna set a hook until he have it and start going away. Fish on. Rylan's on. Recording. Ooh. Line peeler. Pike? Oh my goodness.
Second pike of the day.
I guess we have pike here too with the bass.
And lots of walleyes.
I was like, that doesn't seem like a bass fight.
25 inch.
25 inch. All the bass here is big. Like, you have to really catch them soon, hey? You know that the boundary dam is gonna close, right?
What?
Yeah. Like by 2030.
Oh. Why is it gonna close?
But it's gonna slowly close. Like, it's not gonna, by 2030 everything will be
For
done.
what? Like you can't fish?
You know how Saskatchewan is going to 100% renewable energy?
Yeah.
And right now boundary dam is burning coal.
Yeah.
So that's not renewable.
So you can't fish here?
No, you can fish here, but they use the water from this lake to cool down their units.
Yeah.
And then that's why the temperature of the lake is so high.
Yeah.
And once they close their units,
Then the bass will die.
yeah,
Because there won't be any.
yeah, it will be too cold for the bass. So you gotta take your chance here.
Like, look at that hook set. Like,
Perfect hook set. That's a nice pike too. We don't discriminate. We like all fish here.
you got pliers there, Luke?
Oh yeah.
I really should be fishing barbless, but I don't want to break off on a big bass.
Yeah, here. Pocket size. There we go.
Like,
Perfect.
if you were eating pike, that'd be like the perfect.
Perfect eater, yep.
Like literally perfect eater.
Shore launch right here. There she
Oh, that
goes.
water feels nice.
Nice. Good work. Next one will be a bass.
I hope so.
Next one will be a bass. Oh, dude! Bit me right off. He took my Senko. I knew I got a bite. I felt a bite and I set a hook and it took my Senko. I just rigged up my Senko again. I'm just using a Senko with a weedless hook. Yeah, just jiggle it in the water. It's just a natural color Senko. So the way I'm fishing is basically just cast it out, let it sink to the bottom, and bring it up, twitch it up, let it twitch it up while reeling a little bit, and then let it sink to the bottom again, repeat, back to the bank. Oh, pike! Okay, I got my pike too. Well, I think he was this guy that bit me first time. to break me off. Still on my hook. Oh, dude, it's deep here. It's like 6 foot. He was just right in the deep. Come here. He swallowed it. Well, I guess Senko catches pikes too, hey? Give me back my Senko. Nice pike. There we go. Let's give him a release. Woo! There he goes. Back to the bottom. Nice. Senko is my new favorite bait.
Oh, it's got a big one. Got a big one. Under the bridge.
There we go. Nice. Third bass of the day. Alright. Nice. Not as big as the last two, hey? But it's a nice bass. Alright, let's see how long he is.
It's like 17.
Yeah, he's smaller. We won't even bother. Like 17. We won't enter him or anything, but take 2 pictures. Nice. Lake 4 guy, is this? Third one of the day. This was a 17-inch bass. We'll give him a nice release. There he goes. Into the weeds. That's awesome. Rylan just caught a nice bass here. His
Top
PB.
water blow up. Gotta go for the release. That is a stud bass. Skinny but long. There she goes.
Perfect. Beauty. We're just at Woodland Regional Park. Got set up. Everybody else have campers. Except we have a tent. Got the kayaks. The fireplace. There's Haley just cooking up some smokies and noodle bowl. The noodle bowls are ready. Good as always. Smokies are just need a few more minutes, then we're good to eat.
When we went to Yellowstone, and there were so many noodle bowls there, like in all the shops. And
That's
like,
the best camping food.
I know, noodle bowls are the best.
Easy, delicious.
The next morning.
Got a bite. See that? I didn't let it eat long enough. Yep. Fish on. Get out there. Get out of there. Grab the net. Pass me the net. Big fish, big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big. PB. New PB.
Oh, look at the size of that thing.
Cast it back in there again and then boom.
And his eyeball's huge.
Hook popped right out. Look at that fish. Oh my goodness. Look how big.
That's a big fish.
So I cast it out and then he bit, but I missed him. And then I cast it exact same location. Boom, once again. These fish are so aggressive. You guys see how long he is? 19 and a quarter. Just hooked up into my new PB at 19 and a quarter inch. Just a monster. There she goes. There she goes. Into the grass. Look at her. Oh, right into the grass. That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, so fun.
She's still right there.
Oh, she's coming back. Okay, I've caught 4 bass now with the Senko, but now I want to try something different. I want to catch one on the top water. So I'm gonna tie on a frog. Bass fishing is nice. You don't need leaders. You don't need anything. You just make these simple knots, and the fish are aggressive too. Here we go. Perfect. All right, first cast with the frog ever. Okay. Rabbit. Alright everyone, we're just about to head back home. Had an absolute amazing trip in Estevan here. Yeah, I caught not 1 but 4 really nice bass, largemouth bass. And last night we also hammered some black bullheads. Hopefully you enjoyed the episode, and yeah, make sure you subscribe, and a lot more content coming out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Alright, here we go. Bye bye Estevan. Bye bye bass.